Hello, my name is Brandon. I'm a local real estate investor and also have a portfolio of rental properties in the Tampa Bay area. I ran across a new company called Rent-A-Home-Fast, and I want to say I've had nothing but good luck, and they've handled all the problems that deal with the tenants and what have you. Therefore, I recommend them as using them for any of your future businesses with rentals. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Tommy. Recently I had a vacant unit, a condo available, and I was having a hard time renting it. I was introduced to a company named Rent-A-Home-Fast, a young man by the name of Drake. I met him, he came out and looked at the apartment, and within 3 weeks he had the apartment rented for me. Now, when I need something, I call him. I had a commercial building available. He rented it less than a month. Not going out of rental income, you know the difference. Thank you for your help. Rent-A-Home-Fast now. Thank you.
Been renting homes for close to 50 years. It's gotten a lot tougher. But thanks to Rent-A-Home-Fast, I can spend more time here and having to deal with renting. You should do the same. You'd rather be having fun than dealing with tenants BS? Call them quick. Don't waste your time any longer.
Hi, my name is Sandy. I'm a realtor. I could not find the tenants for my friends, so I let rentahomefast.com a try. They found the tenants very fast, in less than a month, and they're great tenants too.
Yeah, this is Miles, and I want to highly recommend Rent-A-Home-Fast tenant services. They really helped me out with 3 tenants, very professional, very good people. Highly recommend. Please use them. They're a great company. I will again. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Shelby, and I am a new property owner, and I used Rent-A-Home-Fast to pick out a tenant for my property. And I highly recommend using Rent-A-Home-Fast because they were very helpful, and they helped me out with everything I needed.